What's up, Frick Nation? Today, we're gonna give you part one of a 5-part series talking about how to fix your back. So if you have any back problem, hip pains, anything like that, this is gonna be the series for you. Save it, rewatch it, perform these workouts ongoing. Just make sure that we take care of our body. So today, we're gonna start with repositioning the hips and do what we call a pelvic reset. So Nate's gonna lay back. He's gonna pull his knees up towards his chest a little bit, and he's gonna grip one knee or one leg below the knee and one leg above the knee. And what he's gonna do, go ahead and turn to the side here, is kind of a push-pull, right? So he's pulling this leg in, pushing this leg away, and then he's opposing that force with his leg. So this leg is now fighting the opposite direction. He's gonna hold that for 5 seconds and then switch sides. So hands move, now we're pushing this leg, pulling this leg, again opposing force. And he's gonna hold that for 5 seconds. He does this 5 times per leg, or 10 total reps. And as soon as he's done with that, what he's gonna do is squeeze his legs together. Now with this one, you can use a pillow or a med ball. In this case, he's just gonna put his 2 fists in between his hands if you have nothing near you, right? He's gonna squeeze that for 10 seconds, and he's gonna release and relax. He's gonna do that 5 times, okay? At the end of this, what happens is our hip bones, which are just connected by some connective tissue, they tend to get out of place when we sit funky. If you ever feel like you shift your weight to one hip or the other, or when you're standing, you might do that, your hips will get a little twisted, right? And that's gonna just offset our spine, which causes a lot of our lower back problems. So this will reset that. What we're gonna do to make sure that it stays put is we're gonna move into a resting squat. This you can do assisted, grabbing a post, a couch, a person, a super friend, whatever, or unassisted, we're just drop into a resting squat. So Nate holds this squat, he might move around a little bit, shift his weight, kind of get a good feel for it. So we're getting some forced mobility through his body weight and gravity, and he's just focusing on keeping his feet flat on the ground, preventing his knees from valgusing or falling inwards. So he's fighting those out instead of doing that, and just setting into those hips, right? This he's gonna play around with for 1 to 5 minutes. If you're assisted, try to push a little bit longer. If you're going unassisted, see how far you can go without coming out of the squat, all right? So that's part 1. Practice this stuff at home. Stay tuned. Part 2 will be up tomorrow. So we'll get more stuff going for you. See you guys later.